everyone. So today I'm going to do my go-to makeup tutorial look, and I'm already starting off with my eyebrows done, and the first thing I'm going to do is prime my lids with the LA Girl concealer in the color Cool Tan. Now I'm just taking my beauty blender and blending out the LA concealer on my eyelids. I have a lot of eyelid space, so this is just the most convenient way for me to do it. Then I go in with my Maybelline pressed powder and I just set that. Next, I take any old random brush and I go in my Morphe 35V palette. And then I just take the orange color there just to add some definition into my crease. Then I line my eyes with my Kat Von D eyeliner. Honestly, you don't even need to use this for this step. I just chose to use this. You can use any old eyeliner. And this is just going to help the fake lashes on my eyelids look seamless. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Maybelline in the number or color 330 with the same beauty blender, again a wet beauty blender, all over my face. And I've been doing this thing now where I put foundation all over my face except for the outer part of my forehead. Then I go in with the same LA concealer, and I put that underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and the middle of my forehead, or in between my eyebrows. And then again, go in with the beauty blender and blend that out. Now, just to give myself a little more brightness underneath my eyes, I go in with that Maybelline concealer. I'll link down the number it is below. And then at this point, I go in with my Laura Mercier and I just set everywhere that I concealed. This will help it from not creasing and just to last and look really flawless throughout the day. Now at this point, I take my Maybelline pressed powder that I was using before and I set the rest of my face. Now here I'm just grabbing my Wet n Wild bronzer contour palette, and in the deep shade I'm just going to bronze my face in the hollows of my cheeks and then down the bridge of my nose, around my forehead, and the perimeter of my face, just so I can look sun-kissed and really glowy and bronzy. And then I'm just buffing away the rest of that Laura Mercier that was sitting on my face. And then in a little bit, you're going to see I'm going to get my Maybelline pressed powder. And that's in the color 332 if I didn't say that already. And I just use that to go over where I had the Laura Mercier. So that way if I'm taking pictures, I don't look ashy. Or if I'm just walking around in general, I won't look ashy. I literally take any random eyeliner. This one I got at the beauty supply store, and I just line my eyes real quick with it. Then I get my any mascara. This one is the It's Cosmetic, just to have my eyelashes ready so I can put on my fake ones. And then I grab the Bellisimo bronze. This is by Milani, and this is my go-to favorite blush. It's literally a blush, a highlighter, and a bronzer all in one. It's a peach undertone. It's very beautiful on the skin. Then I use the Maybelline highlighter, and I pretty much put that all over like the highest points of my cheeks, my inner corner, my eyebrows, and on my nose. Now that I have my lashes on, I am now going to go in and put mascara on my bottom lashes. And then I go in with that same Morphe color that I put in my crease, and I just put it on the bottom waterline. And this step isn't even necessary. I just liked how it looked together. And again, this is the Maybelline in the inner corner of my eyes that I'm putting. Then I take my e.l.f. setting spray. This is the matte one, and I just spray that all over my face. And then I put in my NYX lip gloss, which I'll link down below, and spread it around with my finger. And then there you have it. You're pretty much done. Okay, you guys, I had to actually come in a different lighting to show you like the true like glow and beautiful magic of this makeup. But yeah, so I'm in a different lighting, and this is how we look. And even this lighting isn't all that either, but just to give you guys an idea of how it looks. And most of the things I had on was drugstore, except for the eyeshadow. That was the Morphe. But even that isn't expensive now. The palette is $35 at Ulta. I think 25 maybe. Somewhere between $20 and $35 at Ulta. And that's the Morphe 35V. And then the eyeliner was Kat Von D, but it wasn't really necessary because you can't see it. I literally just lined my eyes just to make my eyelashes make sense. And then my lashes, if you're interested in the lashes, they're the Wispy by Kiss, and they're the number 11. So it'll say 011 Wispy Kiss, and it comes in a pack, and I think in individuals. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it comes in a pack because I bought a pack. But yeah, and so this is how it looks, just to give you guys a different lighting. The glow. Oh my god, yes. And that was it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what else you guys want to see on my channel. Love you. Bye.